I hope you are all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another styling video. Today I am doing 5 different ways to wear the denim jacket. So if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I'm Sinead Crowe. I do 2 to 3 videos a week on fashion and styling. I always do a video on a Thursday and on a Sunday. So you always know you can get a styling video on a Thursday and something else fashion related on a Sunday. So to me, the denim jacket is an absolute wardrobe staple for summer, like pretty much the only layer that I wear in summer, maybe a cardigan here and there. So I want to show you my favourite one, which is this one from Topshop. I will link the alternative because it does come in other colours, but I just love this kind of washed black denim. It literally goes with everything. Like, I've worn this non-stop since I got it. It's under £50 and it really has like a kind of vintagey look to it that makes it look not Topshop, which obviously you don't mind things looking like they're from Topshop, but just really like the fact that this looks like a really nice kind of unique, it doesn't look like it's from a chain, it looks like a vintage find or something, which I think is so nice in a piece of clothing. It's also a super oversized style, so I actually got the size 10 and it's like really oversized, as you'll see how it's fitting me and stuff. So yeah, like you can definitely get your normal size or just go one size up for the kind of oversized effect. You don't have to go to like 10 sizes bigger than your normal size. So the first outfit I wanted to show you is kind of a night out little look. Because of the time of year, I've kind of based them all around summertime. So I've got this super cute polka dot dress. It's super nice and light. This outfit, to be fair, you could probably wear to pretty much any occasion, casual wise, and you could wear it in the evening all the day, but I really like it for like an evening out. It's really nice and light. The denim jacket will look so nice just either chucked over your shoulders or worn properly. I love the black and white, it goes so nice with the jacket, and this is just something that I would wear for like, to go for like, there's a place where I live like called the Wine Bar, and like go for a wine at the wine bar, or like go for dinner and drinks and just like dance the evening away, just like have a nice evening out. It's like a really nice kind of, you feel dressed up but you're not too dressed up, and I think the denim jacket is like perfect for adding that kind of like more relaxed vibe to an outfit that otherwise might be super dressy. So the next outfit is cycling shorts and a t-shirt. You guys know I love my cycling shorts. I feel like every 5 ways I wear, I do cycling shorts, and I've actually done a 5 ways to wear 4 cycling shorts, which I'll link up here if you haven't seen it, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, I think that I really like the cycling shorts with the with like a t-shirt knotted. Of course, if you guys know me, I'm not all my t-shirts apart from today. Wowzer, no knot. And then the denim jacket, and I feel like the 2 blacks together will kind of make a suit little look. And this is something, again, like you could wear this with heels. I'd wear this on a night out. You could wear it with trainers for a super casual, relaxed look. It would look really nice as well with like a little midi heel, with flat sandals. You could wear it with any different type of shoes to change the occasion, and I feel like it's a really nice kind of just everyday look for any occasion, and being really comfy too. Like, this whole outfit is so comfortable. This would actually be a really good outfit for going to the airport in. So the next outfit we've got is your casual classic summer dress look, and I've got this little one here which I love so much. I've got actually in 2 colours, and it comes in 3, and I'm tempted to get the 3rd one now as well. But yeah, I love the gingham, and I think the brown looks so nice with the black. Not that it matters, because as I said, the black and the denim jacket literally goes with anything. But yeah, this is like a cute everyday summer outfit. Again, I feel like with all these looks you can just change the shoes to change it for a different occasion, but I'd wear these with my espadrille trainers because I think they're super cute, and it's just like a, yeah, everyday summer in the city, like going for a little picnic with your friends, like doing cute summer things. And yeah, put the denim jacket on if you're cold. It looks really cute. Also adds just a little bit of an edge to the outfit, especially with the espadrille trainers. I think it's really cool. Then I've gone for your classic double denim look. Had to put a double denim. I've actually got 2 double denim looks, but they're very different. So the first double denim is like the classic. I would wear black jeans with these, but I wanted to just show you like all the different, like obviously it would look nice with white jeans too, but I've got my classic blue jeans because I love the blue jeans with the black. I've worn this combo with different tops in the middle many a time. It looks so nice, especially with my chunky Balenciaga trainers. Actually wore this on the beach once with like, I took a picture on the beach, didn't actually go to the beach in my trainers, when I was in LA with a swimming suit, and it was really good because then when I wanted to go for a swim, I could just take my jeans off. But yeah, it looks really cute like this. I've just added this little purple bodysuit to add like a little bit of colour to break up all the denim. And yeah, I just really like it. I think it looks really nice and just kind of like everyday. Again, I would wear this with heels for drinks. Like I'm kind of a, you know, like I'm quite a casual person, and I'll kind of like dress up a look to how I want it to be. So if I want to go out, I'll wear heels. If I want it to be casual, I'll wear trainers. I feel like you can just accessorize an outfit to make it the occasion you want it to be, unless you're going to a wedding, of course you don't want to wear this. But yeah, I love the double denim look. I think it's super cute. Then finally we have the other double denim. So I wanted to show you this. This is a little denim dress, and I thought it looked really cute with the denim jacket. I've actually worn this outfit, like all of these are tried and tested outfits, pretty much all of them. But yeah, I really love the idea of the double denim, and this is like a full denim outfit too, with a double denim but with a dress. So you obviously could use shorts or a skirt too, but I thought it would be really cute with a dress. And this one's got really nice like print on it, so it's like all different tones of denim. So this is already like triple denim in a dress. And this is, again, I've worn this on an evening with a little heel, and also I wore it when I was out and about in a day and wore it with sandals, so really cute. And this dress is actually on sale at the moment too, which is super amazing. And yeah, I just thought this would be a really cute double denim look. I wore this on holiday, so I wore it in the day, I wore it, went on a little boat ride, which was really cute, and then in the evening I just switched out my heels, so it's a good like day to night look. I put on some little midi heels because we had a really quick turnaround for the evening, and then threw on the denim jacket because sometimes it can get chilly in the evening, and this was a really cute look, and I felt dressed up in the evening, and also super casual in the day. So I think it's a really good one for like day to night or any occasion really. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for taking the time out of your day, and for like when you guys watch my videos, honestly it means so much to me because of you guys. I get to do what I love, so thank you so much for taking the precious time out of your day to watch my video. It really just means so much to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love you to. If there's anything you want me to style, just leave me a comment and let me know. Also, I would love your feedback on the video. Is it too short? Is it too long? Would you rather music rather than me talking? What's your favourite outfit? And all of the product links will be in the description below, so if you just click the little arrow you can open it, and I'll add links to everything and sizing information to what I got. Just for your reference, I'm 5'7/8" and I am a size 8 to 10. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.